Okay, take three. I do have the gas line hooked up to the regulator. Unfortunately, I have to do 3 videos here from beginning to end because for some reason my phone keeps on shutting off automatically. So anyway, we got that done. We do have the fuel pump in the tank. Now we will reassemble everything here. As soon as I get all the screws together. Nobody said this stuff was easy, people. That's why Harley has mechanics that do this stuff. Me, I like to work on my own motorcycle. It makes me happy that I can get this stuff done on my own without having to cost me hundreds of dollars every time I go to a Harley shop. I know most Harley Davidson shops are charging like $125 to $150 an hour just for labor alone. So I'm not one to, oops, just dropped that screw. I'm not one to like to give money away. I'm on Social Security and I don't get a lot of money every month. So that's where I stand on that ordeal. But everybody to each your own, to whatever you want to do and however you want to do it. If you want to take it to a shop and have them do the work for you, go right ahead. That's up to you. That's your choice. We all have choices in this life. Some are okay with it. Others aren't. Helps if I put that screw in straight. That little plastic retainer there. You can buy new plastic retainers if you'd like. There we go. I think I found it. This is somewhat spring-loaded. I'm not gonna try and force that in there until I get my drill out. And screw these in nice and snug. Hang on 1 second. Gotta find that other screw that fell on the floor.